Hello guys, how are you? Today we know about auto repair basic. The best way to avoid auto repair rips-offs is to be prepared, knowing how to vehicles work and how to identify common car problems in the basic beginning. It's also important to know how to choose a good mechanic, the kinds of questions to ask, and your consumer rights. This kind of information may help you keep a lead on mechanical mistakes. Repair information: how to choose a repair shop. What should I look for when choosing a repair shop? Ask for recommendations from friends, family, and other people you trust. Look for a repair shop before you want to avoid being rushed into a last minute decision. Shop around by phone and online for the best deal and compare warranty policies on repairs. Ask to see current license if a state or local law requires repair shop to be licensed or registered. Also, your state attorney general office or local consumer protection agency may know whether there is a record of complaints about a particular repair shop. Make sure the shop will honor your vehicle's warranty. How to choose a technician? Is one technician better than another? Look for shops that display various certifications like as automotive service excellence seal. Certification indicates that some or all of the technicians meet basic standard of knowledge and competence in specified technical areas. Make sure the certifications are correct, but remember that certification alone is no guarantee of good or honest work. You will more video on my channel. My channel name is Shani Blogs. So please like, share and comment my video. Thank you so much for watching my video.